We're back on Discover Wisconsin, and right now we're at the Northwoods Blizzard Blast in Vilas County. What is the Northwoods Blizzard Blast, you may ask? It's a giant celebration of all things winter, held every President's Day weekend in Conover. There's an ice sculpting competition, sleigh rides, dogsled dash, and even
ice bowling!
And don't forget, archery.
So, what I want you to do, hair's gonna snap in here.
Okay, so it snaps. Okay, so it snaps in here.
Yep,
all right.
sits on the rest.
Okay.
Spread
Gloves
your fingers
off.
out. Gloves off, please.
Okay.
Okay, hold down here with the left hand.
Okay.
Nope.
And
Spread your hands, put them like that.
like that.
There you go.
Okay.
Elbow up, elbow straight back.
Like that.
Yep,
And then I'm
elbow
going at
back.
the deer.
Elbow back, more.
Okay. Ready?
And let her go. You got it?
Right in the neck.
Right in the neck.
one of my favorite events at Blizzard Blast was Snowshoe Baseball. Now, I used to play softball growing up, but Snowshoe Softball is a little harder than I thought it was going to be.
All right, Grand Slam, coming for ya. Oh, crap. I made it. Let's go, batter. Woo. Oh, no, no, no. Woo. Made it. Oh, dear. Yes. You score. 1-0.
Okay, it is now time for the main event, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the Recliner Races.
So how are you feeling right now? You scared?
Say I'm confident. Say I'm confident.
Go, Eric, I'm really rooting for you. From ice fishing and snowmobiling to dog sledding and recliner racing, there is nowhere in the world quite like the Northwoods.
For more information, behind-the-scenes pics, and past episodes, head to discoverwisconsin.com. Continue the adventure by following us on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Discover Wisconsin Radio.
Okay.
Well done. All right, who's next?